Il avait une corde attachée autour du cou et était à quelques centimètres de se suicider en se lançant depuis le bord d'un pont. Les policiers sont rapidement arrivés pour l'en empêcher car l'un d'entre eux ne voulait pas voir se répéter l'histoire de sa sœur. L'appel d'un couple qui se promenait dans les environs a alerté les agents de la situation.
There is a man that's idle on the bridge.
Has he hurt himself? Jumped?
He's got a noose around his neck. It has to the bridge.
Sheriff's office, are you responding? Yes.
Les policiers sont rapidement arrivés sur les lieux pour se retrouver face à une scène très complexe.
And it was a pedestrian bridge. You see this gentleman, we see a younger female speaking to him, and he is on the outside of the bridge.
En s'approchant, ils ont réalisé que le danger ne résidait pas seulement dans la corde qu'il avait autour du cou, mais aussi dans ses mains, où il tenait quelque chose qui pouvait lui faire du mal.
Got a knife in his hand, it's right up to his throat. That starts the scene off. Even when it gets to this point, you can still handle it.
L'homme qui lui parle est le sergent Anthony Shee, un agent expérimenté dans ce type de cas.
I listened for a while, and then I interjected and I applied my experience, and then we started talking about why he was there.
Out of everybody here at the Sheriff's Office, Sergeant Shea is probably one of the most qualified individuals to talk to an individual going through a mental health crisis.
He felt he had nothing left. So it's my job to let him know that this is a temporary problem and you can't solve it with a long-term solution.
L'homme avait perdu son emploi, ce qui l'a dévasté émotionnellement, d'autant plus que sa propre famille n'était pas venue vers lui pour le soutenir. Et c'est pourquoi il a décidé que sa seule option était de se suicider sur ce pont. Mais l'officier Shee savait ce qu'il devait faire et a rapidement cherché des points communs entre eux.
The rope he had around his neck was a belt, a white belt, and he had a shirt. It was a jiu-jitsu shirt.
Cependant, cela ne semblait pas suffisant pour lui.
The more we talked to him, the more it seemed like the razor was going into his skin, and the more he was tightening the belt around his neck.
I really thought he was going to go through with it. I was scared, and I was scared for the guys because I didn't want them to see that.
La situation était très compliquée et dangereuse, et l'officier chargé de tout cela le savait mieux que quiconque là-bas.
My sister, her name was Cielo Mejia. She committed several years ago in South Florida. She had mental illness. She jumped from a building. I learned so much from the experience, the loss that I had with her, that I try to apply it to my everyday job and try to help people with mental illness.
Dès qu'il a pu, il a commencé à lui parler de sa sœur et de tout ce qu'il avait vécu avec elle, pour essayer de susciter l'empathie chez cet individu qui, après avoir entendu l'histoire, a éloigné la lame de son cou et regardé attentivement l'officier.
When he put down the blade, that was a big win, because that's one means less that he has to hurt himself with. The wind blew the blade off the bridge. And I looked inside, I said, thank God that happened.
Cependant, la ceinture était toujours attachée à son cou, ce qui signifiait qu'il y avait encore la possibilité qu'il se jette. Et cela rendait les policiers anxieux de voir comment peu à peu l'homme reculait. Ils avaient déjà passé une demi-heure à discuter lorsque finalement, ils ont obtenu ce qu'ils attendaient tant. L'individu a décidé de retirer la corde de son cou et a permis aux policiers de s'approcher.
Just stayed on focus, on track, and prayed that it would work out the right way, and he was able to hear the message that life is greater and there's other ways out, than doing this. He came over the bridge and I helped him over, and we embraced. It felt so good to know that I reached this young man and that we're going to get him some help and that this is all temporary. I hope and pray that he takes this experience and does great things in life. Sorry.
It was relief. It was beautiful. Everything came together.
Des histoires comme celle-ci entre un policier et un individu ne sont pas rares dans le monde. Et bien sûr, les problèmes de santé mentale affectent des centaines de milliers de personnes chaque jour sur la planète. Beaucoup ne reçoivent pas d'aide et finissent par considérer le fait de mettre fin à leur vie comme la seule solution. Mais pendant ces quelques minutes tendues, une main peut arriver et les sortir de ces pensées sombres.
911, what is the location of your emergency?
I'm on the 408 heading east. There's a black gentleman sitting on the edge of the bridge. Looks like he's just looking over the bridge, like he's just gonna jump off.
We get calls like those. 95% of the time, it's somebody waiting on a tow truck. So don't really know what we have right at that moment. People start making their way there, and then more calls start coming in.
Il suffit qu'une personne voie la situation et décide d'aller parler au pour que tout ce qui pourrait se passer là-bas se passe différemment.
I did pass him at first. I saw him. I didn't really think about stopping, but I thought as I saw him in my rear view, I probably should stop, especially since no one else did.
Christina works in healthcare and she almost never takes the 408 to work. But on this particular day in February, she was running late.
She stopped, backed up, got out of her car, and walked over to him.
I stopped because I've been where he was. So I know what it's like to stand on the ledge and think that that's your only option. He needed somebody to show that somebody cared enough to stop and enough to tell him he didn't need to do that today.
Il est vrai qu'il est important de prêter attention à ceux qui nous entourent s'ils traversent des problèmes liés à la santé mentale afin de pouvoir les aider à temps. Parce que c'est essentiel, pouvoir leur tendre la main quand ils en ont le plus besoin dans la vie. Car c'est ainsi qu'on peut éviter une tragédie que personne ne veut vivre ni observer.
I just stayed on focus on track and prayed that it would work out the right way, and he was able to hear the message that life is greater and there's other ways out, than doing this.